Yes, hello guys. Morning here. It's morning here. And in case you're new, my name is Nelson. You can call me Mr. BMG. I'm coming live in Nepal. I'm coming live in Nepal in Pokhara. This is Pokhara city, you know. If you don't know, Pokhara city is in Nepal and it's the second largest city after Kathmandu. So I'm coming live. Hello. Inside the city. Hello, namaste. Yeah. So guys, here it's very cold. It's very cold here, so I need to get for myself a jacket. I need to get for myself a jacket, at least something, because the weather here is absolutely cold. This place is surrounded by mountain. The mountains here are absolutely so many mountains here, so absolutely cold everywhere. Namaste. Wow, namaste. So here, if you want to say hi here, it's just like for Indians, like in India, it's namaste. But now they are namaste here in Pokhara is absolutely humble, very humble. It's very humble. So you can just, like in India, you can say namaste. Yeah, namaste. Oh, yes, I can buy here. Hello, namaste. You okay? Yeah. I need jacket. Oh, yes. Wow. So you see, here is the market. They sell.
This is
wow.
Which color you choice?
No, I need a heavy one, like heavy. Heavy one is not there.
Heavy?
Heavy, yeah.
Pakloma छैन?
Tu nikala na. ठुलो size.
Wow, this one is. It's not all that heavy. You first check that one.
Black.
Yes. How about the red one? Red.
Red.
It's not heavy. Let me have this. Wow. You bring? Let me see. So guys, at least I need something heavy, man. It's okay. But I hate red color. It's not good. So those ones also?
Cool.
Oh.
This is ladies.
Oh, ladies. How much is this? Local price. Rupees. Nepali rupees.
1890.
1890.
No. Why? Expensive, why?
Bhai, कति मा आउँछ भाइ?
1700
How much is this?
10% डिस्काउन्ट गर्नु
युट्युबर हो यो
ए 1700 सम्म आउँछ त भन्दिनु
बिना गरेर युट्युब चलाउँछ के यो
It's 1000.
10% अफ हुन्छ
10% off.
दिनमा गरे देखाउनु न 10% ले कति हुन्छ रे
1700 कहाँ छ तपाईको
Guys, things are absolutely expensive here. I don't know, but the price is here.
त्यही देउन के हुनु
Okay. So you're going to calculate what?
Yeah. Minus only 10%, okay? Minus 10%.
Is how much?
1700. 1700.
1700.
Yeah.
What? Nepali rupees.
Yeah, NC.
Okay. You first wait. Let me try.
This color?
Let me first try. If it's okay, then we see what to do. So guys, I'm going to try this jacket because here is absolutely very cold. Very cold. But this is not even. These ones I bought here, you can see
Pokhara.
Pokhara. It's good.
Nice.
Are you filming me? Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not small.
एक्सएल डबल एक्सएल हुन्छ सोध्नु योभन्दा ठुलो साइज हुन्छ
Sara.
डबल एक्सएल छ हेर्दा चेक गर्नु
You first check for me another. Small. This one is small.
यो ठुलो अलि ठुलो निकाल्नु
So this is what they sell. Guys, I'm shopping in the market. Shopping in Pokhara market. Pokhara market. I don't know. So, wow. This is so good also. It's so great. He's checking for me another one. He's checking for me. Hey, namaste.
Namaste.
You okay? Hi.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
English bolo na.
You said what? English?
हाँ गरेरी
Yes. Namaste.
नमस्ते
Yes.
लुगा
yes,
किनिदिनु नमस्ते भनेर के आन्ने हो र ऊ यता लुगा हेर्नु सपिङ के भने
Wow.
सपिङ गरे सपिङ
Shopping only this.
के हो त्यो दिस एकदम
No, it's
Beautiful.
checking there. It's checking.
भेरी भेरी
It's
ब्युटिफुल
checking. Very beautiful, yes.
यु भेरी ह्यान्डसम
Yes.
नभनै जनकी
I will come.
कपडा ह्यान्डसम
You got? Is there?
बेबी
छैन छैन चेक गरेर टु फास्ट
Okay, it's still checking, okay. So, that's good.
ए
What is your name?
My name is Krishna.
Who?
Krishna.
Please, na.
Krishna.
Wow. It's a nice name. And you?
रोनित
Who?
रोनित RONIT रोनित
Ronit.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the owner of the business is here. This your business?
Yes.
Oh, it's good. How long have you been? How many years?
1 year.
1 year?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's great. Business is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the jacket? Where is it?
Not.
It's not there? Oh. So,
अरूको ब्ल्याकमा छ सुक न
not there. You first bring the black. At least I need to buy something. At least I buy something, yeah. She checked, but she didn't get. But I need to buy something, at least. So me, I like supporting local business. I like supporting businesses. It's always good. So they got another one.
भित्रबाट डबल एक्सेल आउँछ अरु कुनै कलर हुन्छ कि मात्र हुन्छ
It's a beautiful ladies, you know.
कालो हाल्नु हुन्छ देख्नु
Wait, I take good picture.
यु लाइक ब्ल्याक
Yes, black is good. Hi. Good. Black is also good.
ट्राई इट
This is big than this.
या
First hold for me.
बिग हो यो
डबल एक्सेल साइज हो
So I'm shopping like a Nepali. Okay. Let me remove my eyeglass. Wow. Yeah,
बन्द
this
भयो
is good.
क्यामेरा
No, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Wow.
त्योभन्दा ठुलो हो
डबल एक्सल छ
Oh, nice.
How do I look, guys? Yeah, this is absolutely nice. Thank you. This is nice. So we're going to pay for this. Okay? So I look great. Hello. Yeah, this is good, huh? I need to pay for this.
You are looking nice.
Yes, it's good now. So this is how much?
300 रुपैयाँ रिटर्न गर्दो
यता देखाउने होला नि
300 रुपैयाँ रिटर्न गर्दो
This Nepali rupee. This is 5.
500
5.
500
Five.
500
5. So balance. Give me my balance. So guys, it's so good here. So I got myself this at 1,700 rupees, Nepali rupees. So we're good to go now. I can say bye bye coldness. So I'm full. Okay. So where is another market? For food. No, tea.
tea
tea
Yes.
milk black tea
Milk tea.
milk tea
पर्दैन म तल खोज
उतातिर छ त्यो
Okay. This is mine. I don't know how am I going to put it like this. No, take it. Take it. This is also a road. People pass here with bikes. Okay, thank you.
thank you
Okay, this is okay. 300.
300
Yes, 300. It's good. So we can take picture where I need the picture. You see here? Go goodbye. Yes, we can take. Come, we take picture. Okay?
Come here.
I put on YouTube.
Okay, bro. Okay.
No, let the ladies come.
Come on.
Yes, come.
फोटो खिचा फोटो फेमस है अब सबैले फोटो खिचा
Yeah, say hello.
hello
Yeah, thank you.
thank you
Good, it's good. Thank you. My name is Nelson. Okay.
Hello bro.
yes
Oh, this one. Nice. Thank you.
thank you
Okay, I need to take tea.
Okay, come.
Yeah. Okay, see you. Okay.
Nice to
bye bye
Nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.
Say welcome to Nepali.
well
Yes, yes. You say welcome to Nepali.
नेपाल भन रे नेपालमा स्वागत छ
स्वागत छ हजुरलाई नेपालमा
This is in your language. Say in English. Welcome to Nepali.
welcome to Nepal
Wow, that's good. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. So it's so crazy here, guys. I really like it. So now you can see I have my jacket here, and it's very good. It's very good. I don't know. It's really very good, and I'm going. I need to take tea because this is in the morning. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. This is Pokhara, the second city after Kathmandu. The second city after Kathmandu in Nepal. So I'm still inside here. I'm still inside the city. You can see this is their food. Hello, namaste. Wow, good. Wow, namaste. Yeah. So I was telling you guys that the namaste here actually is different from the one of India. Though there is all great namaste. Okay, good. Good. I really need to take chai, tea.
Go inside.
Inside. Wow, it's good. I would like to eat this. This is
त्यो
good.
चेक गरिदिनु एउटा
I need tea. Yes, I need tea. Yeah. So it's where. Hello.
Hello.
Namaste. Yeah, I need tea.
Need tea.
Yes, tea.
So,
Yes, milk tea.
yeah.
Yes. It's okay, guys. So you can see milk tea is here. It's 25 rupees. And samosa, I think it's best. I think it's best. So I'm gonna be having from here. I don't know if you guys are watching me. Am I appearing? So I can put this light, and yes. So when I put this light, I think you can see me properly. Yes, like this you can see me properly now. They are cleaning. They are cleaning. So I'm now happy because over the few days that I had been here, the coldness, the rate of the coldness in me, it's never good because I forgot my jacket in India. So remember me, I don't always move with big bag, like with big luggage. So I just put my simple clothes, 2 or 3, then I just come. So I messed up, but next time I will not do that. So this is is it cafeteria or what? So this is so good. It's so good. Yeah?
You get the tea.
Yes, tea, yeah. I will need to take tea, yes. Okay. So you can see also, this is their snacks. This is snacks, or this is samosa. Samosa. Hello. Namaste. Wow. You're selling what?
1 kg,
I will
70
come.
rupees.
I will come. Come, okay? Let me take tea. Yeah. So it's good. So this is what they have. And this is what? It's a snacks. How long? How long I'm waiting? Waiting how long? I wait. Okay, it's here. Bring for me samosa, okay? Yes, samosa. Yes. It's good. This is good. This is milk tea. Let me show you the cup. It's big. So guys, time check here is still 8. It's now 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 a.m. in the morning. How do I look? Actually, this is from Pokhara. You see? Pokhara. This one is what? Pani puri. It's also in India. Pani puri. Yeah. So guys, let me take my breakfast and I'll continue after this show, guys. Thank you.